Dive into comfort and protection with top-quality gear for underwater adventures. The best scuba boots provide durable soles, snug fit, and thermal insulation to keep your feet safe and warm during every dive, enhancing performance and safety. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Adult Unisex Scuba Boots. The adult unisex scuba boots provide dependable comfort and protection for a wide range of water activities, making them a reliable choice for anyone who spends time in the ocean or along rocky shorelines. Made from super elastic neoprene in both 5mm and 7mm thicknesses, they deliver satisfying warmth and flexibility whether you're diving in cooler waters or snorkeling in moderate temperatures. The specially designed heel section integrates seamlessly with open heel fins, helping secure the fin strap and preventing slipping during movement. Their tough anti-slip rubber sole stands out as a major advantage, offering exceptional grip and protection when walking on rocks, pebbles, or wet surfaces. A practical side zipper running from the sole to the ankle makes them extremely easy to put on or remove, even when wet. Combining durability, warmth, and thoughtful design, these boots are ideal for scuba diving, canyoning, surfing, and boating, giving users dependable performance in a variety of underwater environments. Number 2. Neoprene Dive Scuba Boots. The Neoprene Dive Scuba Boots from Cressi are designed to offer reliable comfort, quality, and safety for both beginners and experienced water enthusiasts. With a 3mm neoprene build and an added inner layer, they provide warmth, flexibility, and a secure feel during dives. The sturdy anti-slip sole offers dependable grip on wet rocks, boat decks, and slippery surfaces, making them suitable for snorkeling, swimming, and light diving activities. Their eco-friendly materials and double blind stitched construction enhance durability, ensuring they hold up well even after repeated exposure to saltwater and rugged underwater conditions. The lightweight neoprene feels soft and supportive, keeping feet warm in temperatures between 18 degrees C and 26 degrees C, which makes them ideal for use in moderate climates. These boots also prioritize fit with a detailed sizing guide to ensure comfort for both men and women. Offering a balance of protection and flexibility, they deliver reliable performance for a range of water sports. Number 3. Maer's Adult Equator Scuba Boots. The Maer's Adult Equator Scuba Boots are crafted for divers who value comfort, mobility, and dependable performance in warmer waters. Made from 2mm neoprene, they offer just the right amount of insulation to maintain warmth while still feeling lightweight and flexible during underwater movements. Their low-cut design enhances ankle mobility, making them ideal for snorkeling, scuba diving, or general beach exploration. These boots excel in providing traction thanks to their durable, non-slip rubber sole that grips securely on wet surfaces, rocky paths, and boat ramps. The snug fit helps reduce unnecessary water flow, creating a more comfortable and controlled diving experience. Despite being lightweight, the boots offer solid protection against sharp rocks, coral, and slippery surfaces. Simple, functional, and durable, the Maer's Equator boots are an excellent choice for warm water divers seeking comfort and safety without bulk. They provide long-lasting value and dependable performance throughout countless underwater adventures. Number 4. Cressi Adult Neoprene Scuba Boots. The Cressi Adult Neoprene Scuba Boots are a practical and comfortable choice for travelers and water sports enthusiasts seeking dependable protection and mobility. Made from 3mm super elastic neoprene, they offer impressive comfort and flexibility while keeping feet warm during moderate temperature dives. The lightweight design makes them easy to pack for trips, yet they still provide strong protection thanks to a fully molded non-slip rubber sole that grips well on rocks, docks, and wet surfaces. A well-designed heel support ensures compatibility with open heel fins, preventing fin straps from slipping during use. These boots are ideal for snorkeling, light scuba diving, and a variety of water activities where comfort and traction are important. Their durable construction holds up well with repeated use, and simple rinsing keeps them in excellent condition. Designed by Cressi, a respected brand in diving gear, these boots offer reliability, performance, and comfort for both beginners and seasoned divers. Number 5. Maer's Adult Classic Scuba Boots. The Maer's Adult Classic Scuba Boots are built for divers who need warmth, durability, and stability in cooler underwater environments. Constructed with 5mm neoprene, they provide excellent insulation, helping keep feet warm during extended dives or when exploring deeper waters. Their wide toe cap design improves comfort by allowing natural toe movement, reducing pressure points, and helping maintain circulation during long sessions. The leveled sole offers dependable stability on slippery surfaces, making it easier and safer to walk on rocks, boat decks, and uneven terrain. The strong rubber construction enhances grip while protecting feet from sharp objects. These boots also pair well with open-heel fins, offering a secure and supportive fit. Suitable for both men and women, the Maer's Classic boots combine durability and comfort, making them a trustworthy option for divers who want a solid, long-lasting boot for various underwater conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.